Good afternoon, everyone. Today I am presenting on HTML table tag and its attributes. What I am presenting on today's presentation, HTML table tag and its attributes along with some examples. Then, so what is table element? So, in the previous classes which I already delivered, so how to write a tags and all, HTML, etc. Then now we are focusing on HTML tables. So table means, for example, if you can use like this is called one kind of a tables, right? So rows and columns, how many columns, how many tables. Then we need to write. So in this using how to write in the HTML. So then that is what in HTML can allow web developers to arrange the data in rows and columns. That's what I told you. So these are the row 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. How many rows you required? Then how many columns? 1, 2, 3. These are the columns. Then so rows and columns you can arrange in a sequential manner, right? So then which is also a provide our web development purpose. So in the using HTML tables, right? So in the table, so what is the tag? Means here the tag called table tag. This is the angular bracket using table. Table is the tag. So end tag is similar. So table. This is the end tag. In between you want to write. So then we want to fit so rows and as well as columns. So then how we can fit into this? So we can fit in the tables are divided into table rows, that tag called as a TR, right? Table rows. These are the rows 1, 2, 3. How many rows you required? So then this is called as rows. How many rows you required using? So first one the tag called as table row, right? So second, table rows are divided into table data. So you need to insert your data into this in this block, right? How can you fit? So we can fit in the that tag called as TD, right? Table data. Okay. So TR and TD. So then in the table row can also divided into headings. Then so we need to write in this, for example, so this is called as serial number, then name and then the address, etc. So this is called as table address. So how you can write down in this? So we can use the tag called as th. So how many tags we are required while writing in the using as a table inside a table row, inside a table data. So then if you required so the header files table header, so we need to write a th. So these are the tags are required to write in the table elements, right? That is what. So we are using first one is table rows, table data and table headings, right? These are the rows and columns, like for example like this, right? In this, okay. Then next, so then what kind of attributes? So here the attributes, like for example if you want to write in this, just like you assume like this is the table row, right? In this is called as table header th, right? These are the columns. This is the column 1, column 2, column 3 columns. Then rows 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the table data, right? So how you can fit like this? Then we need to use like then how to fit into this. Now we required some attributes. Those attributes are, first one is align. So what kind of alignments? Left alignment, right alignment and justification, right? For example, if your data is which is a center, right? This is the left corner, right corner, right? That is what left, right and center. To specify the alignment of a table according to your surrounding text. Then busy color means you want to explain the colors, what kind of colors you required. So here See, this is the blue color which is in the sign color in this, etc. So how you can fit like this is based on your, the value is RGB, red, green, blue. Then in this you can write x comma x comma x, that is called to specify the background color for a particular table, right? Then color name will be using based on your RGB. In the border, so this one borders, right? How you can write the border, but the thickness, that border thickness, the value either 1 0 to specify whether table cells should have the border or not, right? Either 0 or 1. Then cell padding pixels, like this is called cell padding, right? In this cell padding and using cell padding, for example, you need to write in a pixels manner to specify the space between the cell wall and the cell content. Here this is cell content. In this is called as cell paddings, right? So cell spacings, to specify the space between these cells. In this cell and this cell, in between the space, right? This is called, means column to column, right? To specify the cell, which is called as cell spacing. And another one is, this is totally for, this is a frame window, like, so we are using as that, the attribute is called as frame attribute. See, align, BG color, border, cell padding, cell spacing, frame, rules, width, right? So frame, wide, above, below, heights, LHS, RHS, V sides, box, border, etc. To specify which part of the outside border that should be visible. That is, you can select any one of the value. Then next one is, another attribute is rules. Rules, we will, what is the value? One is none value, either group value, rows, columns, all. Alright, this is called as rules. What is the purpose? That rules to specify which part of inside the border should be visible. That is, you are applicable into this one. Right, last one is width, pixels you want to select to specify width of the table. So in this table, what kind of width we required, that width we can show into this. These are the attributes: align, BG color, border, cell padding, cell spacing, frame, rules, width. These all are the attribute and assigned to some value, and the description it is showing in this slide. So according to that, so how you can write, so what kind of attributes which is available, right? So then in this table we want to write according to this attributes. Then so now we have to write some attributes, using the attributes into a fit into the table, right? For example, in the table align, so see this left corner, right corner or center, it will shows like left, right, center is using in this manner, right? So either left, right, center alignment, there are three properties: left or right or center. Then followed by, so as you told earlier, so first you need to write the table. Inside the table row, right? This is the TR. So inside you need to write table header. Header means month. First one is month. So then followed by TH. So then this is the header. Then followed by TH, another one is savings. Right. So this is called as, so in this month savings. So 2 we have given in this, right? In this, so then TR completed means this table row completed. So according to that, so the completed again table. Then these are the relevant answers, right? In this table BG color, another property, BG color, border color, background, BG means background color. So in this we have to select like these are the code. So hash followed by 00 FF00. So you need to write hash followed by 00 F000 etc. So 6 letters characters we want to give in this. This is BG color, means BG background. Then border color in the outer borders, right? So that is border is equals to either 1 or 0. Then cell padding 10 width, cell spacing 10th width, right? And width 400. So that is the cell, this one. So frame is a box type. Then the rules is rows, right? So based on this, these all are the attributes using to write a program. Means wherever you required the border styles you required, then BG color is required, border is required, spacing is required, padding is required. So width. So while writing any kind of a table, you need to give these kind of attributes to complete it. Then example now. So same, which is also a HTML page. So then first and foremost, the first we need to write a document type HTML. Then inside the HTML, then that is header tag. So for title or etc. That is over. The second one is body part. In the body part, basic HTML table we want to generate. That is the heading we have to set. Then the table border is 1, right? So you need to give 1 or 0. Borders is 1. So then inside the data means table rows. 2 rows we have selected in this. That's first one is in the table header, that is called first name, means like this. Okay, this is first name. Next followed by last name, followed by age, right? So then another means another data only. So there are only TR is here, then here Ram, then Lakshman and 30, right? So first name Ram, second name is Lakshman, age is 30. Only we have given this one. This is the table, this is the header, this is this one, right? Border 1, we have to set 1. Okay. Then so another data also we have to given. See, that's what first name, last name, age. So Ram, previous one Ram, Lakshman 30 years. Next Radha Krishna 29, Radha Krishna 29. So table row close, table close, right? So body close, HTML close. The output of this program is looks like this. Then width is also 1 inches, right? Then here table headers are first name, last name, etc. Right? This is the example of a particular HTML table attributes. Then so you want to align some attributes. So the previous example just we have given. So table border 1 thickness, alignment center, right? So previous we have given, see, looks like this is the table, yes, left justification because that is the default one. So now we have to set into the center. So the same we have to apply, but here in the center because alignment is center. So the caption is monthly savings, right? The caption is monthly savings. Monthly savings we have given here, monthly caption. Then month we have given month, we have given savings. Then next one is January month. So that is $1,000 savings, so $1,000. Then this is a TR, this is a TR. So these two are header files. These are the table data, right? Again in the table close, body TR close followed by table close, body close, HTML close. This is the order. Then the final output is looks like this. This is the output of the particular align attribute. Now BG color, background color. See this, the background color same we have to apply here. Table border 1, BG color is cyan, right? The color is a cyan, looks like this. So same previous one, but color has changed. Whatever the color you required, red, blue, green, etc. Whatever you required, you can give. So specific colors which is available, those colors only applicable into this. Then same caption or etc. The same example. Then cell padding. See here same one, previous BG color given, then border will given. Now cell padding. See this one looks like this is called, okay, that width, right? This is called as cell padding. So same example, right? Then next one is cell spacing. See, looks like spacing is in between that month which is not like that rows and columns, but we have given space in this space etc. Right, this is called as cell spacing. Then different outputs will come based on this. Then again, so caption monthly saving, border only one. So see, monthly savings caption is given in this, then inside this one, because we have to set left alignment or right alignment, center alignment. We have given center alignment. So month savings January and $1,000. Right, this is called as table caption. Then the table row span. Right, so we have to given border is equal to 1. So same we have given the span of your this one, an HTML table with a header cell that span 3 rows. Right, 3 rows, which is you can use like here tr, 2 trs, and another one is tr. See this one, we have given looks like this. Right, in this savings for holiday we have given, see this one, last one is 3 headers, previous is output is month savings, now is month savings and savings for holiday. So January, then 100. So row span, here we have given the row span is, that is 2, means 2 we have to club, right, and 2 space we have to club into $50. Then next one is, so here February and 80, that's what here not mentioned in the third one, only February and 80 we have given, but these two is row span we have previous one. So we have given, right, two are combined, means merging, right, looks like. Okay, in this we have to write merging of this one, here the merging of 2 columns in these 2 rows are merging into this one. Right, this is called as table row span. Right, sometimes we require the column span also. Right, here we are using as a column span, means previous rows we have to merge, now we have to columns merge. Right, same example, see here the column span is looks like this, means sum of these 2 columns we have to merge like this. Right, sum of 100 plus 80, 180, it is showing column merge. Right, the next column span. Okay, this is, so in this we have to learn so far entire this summary of this one. First we need to learn what is a tag, table tag, means that is called table tag. Right, so followed by table. So in this, the attributes of a table tag. So what kind of attributes we have to learn, like align, busy color, border, cell padding, cell spacing, caption, row span, column span, etc. These all are means required to run, means to give a appropriate table. Right, so for example like this, right, this is for a serial number, name and age. Right, so 1 2 3, so here name is same XYZ, so ABC, right, so MNO etc. So 30 40 50. Right, for example ABC both are 50, then I want to merge like so we have to merge this one, this is both are similar. Right, sometimes maybe okay we required, then this is required, and then these 2 will be merging. Right, column span. Right, in this entire we need to write like looks like this, this is called as row span, column span. These are the like this, looks like this. So this is a total summary of the entire session of this one. Right, thank you.